Hello, in this video I will teach you how to record your voice in Keynote for the Mac. To record your voice in Keynote on the Mac, you will want to click on Media. From Media, you're looking for the microphone to record your audio. At this point, you can click the record button. Hello, thank you for watching this video. I click stop and then I can click preview. I have earphones in, so perhaps you didn't hear that. At this point, if you wanted to, you could also click edit. I'll show you that very quickly. I'm clicking on edit, and I'm simply going to eyeball this and erase some of this waiting time before I clicked record. And then I'll click scissors, and I'll click done. I did not need to do that step. If I liked it the first time, I could have just clicked insert, and I'll have this icon right here. When I go to play, and I touch it, hello, thank you for watching this video, you'll be able to hear your audio.